Being an entrepreneur is not easy. When I took the plunge, I had my share of dilemmas, fears, and anxieties. Entrepreneurship is exciting as long as you are mindful of three important things. First one is adaptability. When I began as an entrepreneur, I was the office boy, the counselor, the receptionist, as well as the trainer. I had to do it all by myself. As an entrepreneur, sometimes the best of the ideas fail at the last minute, and the strategy that you have least hope from unexpectedly works wonders. You need to be mentally prepared to tune your mind and tell yourself it's okay, shit happens. Since we were the first ones to start, we had no one to copy or learn from someone else's mistake. We had to do it all by ourselves and learn through our mistakes. Second important thing is sustainability. In the initial stage, it is not about profitability. In fact, it is all about sustaining yourself and holding on to a strong ground. Your existence matters more than anything else. Sustaining your business and making small moves is more important than trying for a higher leap and falling flat on the face. If you sustain yourself for first 5 years, there are higher possibilities that you will sail through successfully. Lastly, discipline. This is one of the key aspects of being a successful entrepreneur. It's very easy to lose your guard when you are your own boss, especially when you don't have anyone pushing your boundaries. And you're not answerable to anyone for the timelines. You will have to come into the discipline of setting deadlines for yourself when it comes to investing in a new skill or achieving key objectives for organizational benefits. Discipline plays a key role in having an entrepreneurial mindset. Becoming an entrepreneur is the best life decision as long as you have the passion, the determination, and dedication to nurture your venture. Just follow your heart and go for it. I bet you will never have to regret even a single day of your life. After all, life is too short to be working for someone else's dream, isn't it?